What's up, guys? It's Mila at WTI. I have a cell phone case for an iPhone 13 Pro Max by ESR that is pretty awesome. And the reason why I think it's so awesome is because it keeps the integrity of the original phone. What I mean by that is, first of all, it's clear. So you get to see the design that Apple produced on the phone. It's a gorgeous phone. So if you get a case that covers that up, it's kind of sad. With this one, you don't have to worry about that. So it's full transparency, and I really like that. I also really appreciate that the tips on each side have raised little borders so that you don't have to worry about them hitting the side and incurring a ton of damage. It has them all over the corners on all four. Of course, you have the buttons that are open on every single area, so you have access to all the features of your phone. I love this case for obvious reasons, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.